Most of these I picked out, so I can't say my stylist did anything wrong, but hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann. Today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox. Stitch Fix is a styling service where you tell them what you want and give them all your wants, needs, sizes, and things, and they will send you what is close to what you want as they can get. And they also now let you pretty much pick everything out. I think that I picked out everything that's in here. I think. They send you an envelope, keep what you love, send back what you don't. There's a $20 styling fee, and that will be credited towards anything you keep. If you keep all 5, you get a 25. Y'all, I can't remember that. It will be in the description. Also, wanted to ask you to like and subscribe. I am slowly growing my little channel, and I would love it if you would subscribe. I am having a lot of fun doing this, and I hope that you're enjoying it, and I welcome any feedback that you want to give me. As got some shoes. Actually, I think it's booties if I remember, but there's my bundle. Let's see. All right, here's where I blank this out because it's so annoyingly loud, but see you in a minute. All right, let's start with these shoes. Oh, very cute, but I think they're gray, which I just got a pair of gray. And I think I asked for these, but I did not. I thought they were more taupe than gray, but where is my sheet? Oh. I guess I should have done this first, don't you think? All right. Pull yourself together there. Okay, those are the Diva Layla Suede Booty in taupe. It says taupe. I will have to compare them to the ones that I got from them a couple of months back. Okay, these pants are the Maribel straight leg, cut from the cloth, size 4. I like cut from the cloth. I am asking only for straight leg, boot cut, no more skinny. Not that I'm not gonna wear skinny, because I am, but I've just got a whole lot of skinnies. No more skinnies for me and no more joggers, because I am to the max on both. I've got all that I need. These have a finished hem, just brown, really cute. Okay, these are Liverpool, my 2 favorite jeans, Liverpool and cut from the cloth. Gia Glider Pull-On Slim Straight in Indigo, size 4. I like them. Oh wow. You see these? And I like the dark wash. That's probably my favorite. This is the Carson crew neck button in dark gray by Pink Clover. I think that's cute. It's got the 2 faux wood buttons at the top. It's that kind of a heathered knit. I like it. And then last is the Market and Spruce Tawny Cotton Blend in navy. Oh, I like this a lot. That's really cute. Navy and gray. Let me see. That's cute. It looks kind of long. Not sure if I like that, but really cute. So let's go try these on. They give you a style sheet, Stitch Fix does, and tells you how to wear it. Let me go try these on and see what we think. Be right back. Okay, this is the Carson crew neck button detail pullover by Pink Clover, and I think it's a pretty sweater. It's something I would get a lot of use out of. It is a little longer than things are going now, but I do think it's cute, and I do like the buttons, the 4 faux wood buttons. So I like it. These are the Gia Glider Pull-On Slim Straight Jeans by Liverpool. I think these are really cute. No zipper, they just pull on. I like the style, I like the wash. Very stretchy. Pockets in the back. And they are the straight cut. I like them. These are the Maribel straight leg jeans by Cut from the Cloth, and I have them rolled up there just to be the right length for those booties. But I like the jeans. I don't love brown jeans. That's just me. The top is the Tawny Cotton Blend Waffle Stitch Pullover by Market and Spruce, and I think it's really cute. I don't like it with the brown. And that's how they had it styled, but I think it's cute. I think it's an odd length. It's not for jeans. Maybe for leggings it's a good length, but I do think it's really cute. Okay, now for the really quick wrap up. I thought the sweaters were really cute off. I didn't really like them that much on, and mostly it wasn't the sweaters, it was the length of the sweaters. I like these jeans. I like the straight leg. I need straight leg. I just don't really need any right at this moment, but I do like these because they're Liverpool and I like the wash. So the brown Cut from the Cloth straight leg, to me they're just okay. They don't tempt me. This sweater I thought was super cute until I put it on, and like I say, I think it was the length, so I won't keep that. This one, I like this. I just don't know. I'm gonna have to watch the video back and see what I think. It's only $48, so I wouldn't lose my styling fee. The boots, I think they're super cute. I did not even try them on because I did just get these or so ago, 2 months ago, from Stitchfix. I can see the difference. These are definitely more gray. These are definitely more taupe. This one is kind of in between these and some other ones that I have that are lighter, but it's so close to this color that I'm just not gonna do it. So these are a no too, even though I think they're really, really cute. And I do like that the shaft is shorter. I do like that, but I don't know, I won't consider these. But that is it for this Stitch Fix unboxing. Most of these I picked out, so I can't say my stylist did anything wrong, but this was not a great box for me. And Stitch Fix almost always is just a really good box. It really kills me to send things back. This time it won't be that hard. I will think on the dark gray sweater. So that's it for this unboxing of Stitch Fix. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.